What is up, guys? VR Duck here, and today we're going to be going over the new forest update. I got some wood. I'll show you guys how to get it and where to get it. I also showed you guys the new forest revamp. Yay! Also, I'm Bowser, so don't ask. So I was able to snag some. This is what they look like. Now, forest. We go down here. As you can see, the whole forest got a revamp. See how these trees look a little different? That's just me. You can go over to these trees. And the bigger they get, the more logs you get. So if you get that, then we go over the fire. This is basically 99 Nights in the Forest. Oh, we upgraded the fire. After we stoke this one more time, I'm gonna show you where the thing is. No, bad Mr. Ogre. Bruh. You're so mean. But when it turns night, it's super scary. And it's nighttime. Actually, there's the new monster. That's weird. Hello, is there somebody else in the code? That's weird. There he is. Wait, is that the Wendigo? Where'd he go? Anyway, It's just me. So guys, I think you earn... Wait. Earned company coins. Sweet. I'm gonna need my bag back. There it is. Oh my god. Oh. 'There's my backpack. And then there's the ogre. Whoa. Alright, let's go find the chicken. I'm gonna show you guys something. You probably didn't know about. Come here, Mr. Chicken. Wait, what? His health's slower. Oh yeah, see, if we grab this egg... For some reason this is yellow now. Oh yeah, there's a little alarm on your thing. I think it tells you when nighttime's coming. Oh yep. I knew it. What's he? The egg used to be cheap, but now look at it. $3,000. When the new bundle comes out, I might gift it to one of you guys if you subscribe. I don't know, I'm kinda poor. So, what? What the heck? That's weird. But, yeah. The new wood item, the new bonfire, the new window, I guess you could say, are all here. So that's gonna be it for today's video. It's a very short update, I know. But when a new update comes out, because I hear there's gonna be a bunker map right up here in that building. Right up here. In the SO3 building. There's gonna be a bunker here. Or revamp of this. And then this is supposed to open up. I thought this could be a bunker. There is no new items in this update. I kind of wish they would add an axe or something. But yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and peace out.